How to set up gaming mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Modes and Routines. After click on Modes and Routines, scroll down and click on Add Mode and click on Game. If you want to set up gaming mode, and click on Start. After click on Start, you will select Game is being played. Open app. Click on Game is being played. Click on Next. If you want to add Do Not Disturb, so you will see call and messages. Click on Done and you will choose Wi-Fi, sound and mode volume, media volume, eye comfort shield. You will see gaming setup is done. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up gaming mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.